Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching me, hello, my name is Janine. I upload videos every single day right now because it is Vlogmas. Today is Vlogmas day 9. I feel like every day after 7 has just been freaking me out. So today's video is going to be kind of a part 1 to a part 3 series. I know, big commitment there. So this is going to be the ultimate gisting weekend. This past week I have not been organized with what I need to be doing. I got into a routine of not having a schedule because of Christmas, or no, because of Thanksgiving and everything. But now I have things that need to be done. I have lots of things coming up. I signed up for college classes that start in January. I have 3 weeks of leave that I need to pack for. I have a bunch of tests at work that I need to take and qualifications that I need to do. I just have a bunch of things that need to be taken care of to make sure that the upcoming weeks run smoothly. I'm also pre-filming all of my videos for January because I'm going to be gone out of town for 3 weeks, and I'm just gonna take the time as a break, especially vlogging every single day. And though I have been enjoying it, it has been a lot of work, and I can't wait to just have some time to just chill, not do anything, and not have videos to film and upload and tests to take at work and qualifications and like all of this stuff that I have going on every single day that makes my brain go a little bonkers. I get a break, and I'm taking a full break, which means I need to go hardcore right now, which this is do as a say, not as I do type situation, because do I recommend this? No, I recommend you do a little bit of work all the time instead of cram all of your work in. But that doesn't work for me. The hectic anxiety that I give myself makes me get things done, and until I have a breakdown, it works just fine. So we're gonna keep going with what I'm doing right now. And to go off of this ultimate gisting weekend that is upon us, there's totally just a noise. I'm pretty sure someone is in this house. Hopefully it's someone that is supposed to be here. Anywho, first rule of gisting, which if you don't know what that is, it is get your SHIT together. The first rule is to do a schedule and to work on planning. So this you can do in all sorts of ways. I actually did this yesterday while I was on walk, and I went through my notebook and I've got my planner right here. Doesn't that look exciting? And then I've also got this planner, which is like a day-to-day one with different priorities and all of that kind of stuff with my times all written out. You can't even see that. And then I also write everything out in notebook. And so like I wrote out this, I like to write out timelines where I know that these are the different months that are coming up, and I'll write in what things need to be done what months, how long things take, like different qualifications, how long I'm giving myself to get them, by what time are they going to be done. I have my PRT, my physical readiness test for work is coming up in January. I'm also going to have my advancement test in February, and I'm going to be studying for those. But I have a qualification that I'm trying to get either by the end of this month, beginning of January, for my ESWAS pin, which then after you get ESWAS, you get air. And so start working on that. I have everything like mapped out when it's happening with my college classes that start the middle of January. So I have that written out so I can just have a game plan of what the heck is going on, so things aren't just coming up surprising me. And so the best way to be able to get all of that out is to just write it down in whatever way you think works for you. Just write it down either in the list, like in the notes app on your phone, or if you like to do pen to paper like I do, you can write it all down. Have a planner. You can do monthly planning where you write it all out in a month spread, or you can do weekly. So weekly like these, where you can write it down in the different days of the week, or you can do daily like the other one that I showed you. Bullet journaling. I also have a bullet journal somewhere around here, but I never keep up with bullet journaling, so not gonna do that one this time. Probably for my planning for 2021 video that I'll do, I might use my bullet journal a little bit in that one. But basically just find your own way that works for you and how you want to get everything from your head to paper, just so you can visually see it and organize it and figure out what the heck is going on. Then the second rule, which is kind of a part 2 to that rule, is to make sure to have fun with it. You don't need to like stress yourself out like making that timeline. I like making timelines and writing stuff out like that. If you're more of a visual person, you can make a vision board, which we're also going to do in today's video. I have a bunch of stuff printed out already that we're going to cut up and put on my bulletin board and make a whole vision board so you can see it in a pretty way and see like what's coming up for your next year or next couple of months or whatever you're planning for, and just do it visually. Another way you can do it is on a Pinterest board, which I've done that before. I used to do like weekly Pinterest boards and daily Pinterest boards where it's just like the mood and some quotes and like kind of vibe that I wanted for the day or whatever you're trying to go for. You can just do it in Pinterest. You don't need to print out pictures and cut them up and make them in a pretty board if you're not artistic like that. Or I've also done a dream journal, which I put on, I'm pretty sure it's like 3 years ago now. I have a video up on my channel that I make a dream journal where it's basically a vision board, but it's in a notebook, and then you print the pictures really small and you glue them down into pages of a notebook, and you can write next to it about different things that you want for that goal of yours and all of that kind of stuff. And then don't forget that you can just try out different things. If you normally do planning, you don't always have to do planning. Like I just started doing timelines back a couple months ago, and I actually really love doing that. And then you can try bullet journaling. You can try like all these different kinds of planning, daily planners, weekly, monthly, like all that stuff that I already talked about. You can try out something new if you've never tried it before. And like for me today, I'm going to go through and I'm going to try out these ones. I think I talked to you guys about them in a different Vlogmas video, but my mom got me these that are goals and inspire. And so like the goals book is the perfect one to get started on just getting my life together so I can have all of my goals in one little notebook. Now we're going to get into more of the nitty-gritty stuff. So there's the business side of GYSTING, where you have to actually kind of clear out the like little tiny stuff that you need to do. Don't go full force into like the big to-dos that you have to do, which you totally can. I kind of did that earlier. I like already went to the gym, but now I'm going to try to get the smaller stuff done that is just easy to check off of a to-do list. I have some phone calls to make, some emails, and just small business stuff like that, and I'm going to try to get to that right now so I can get it all done and out of the way, so then I can get to the bigger stuff that may take more time and more planning to be able to accomplish. Also, side note, these leggings are the Fabletics ones that I held up and I was like, oh no, these are probably gonna be too small. But they are not. They fit perfectly. I love them. They are so comfy and stretchy and I feel great in them. Love that for me. I am so beyond excited about this vision board. If you guys have never done a vision board before, I highly would recommend to do it. I actually did one back I think in 2015. If I can find the picture, I'll totally put it up for you guys. But I did it, and the only things that I did not accomplish that year were things I mentally told myself, oh never mind, I don't want to do this, I'd rather do this. And then I did those. Like, I think the only 2 things on the vision board that I didn't do was get an apartment with my friend Michaela, which I decided to join the military instead. And then, no, I did go to Cedar Point that year. Yeah, I think that was the only thing that I did not accomplish that was on that vision board. So I definitely believe that they are helpful, because even though like putting a picture on a board isn't gonna make something happen in your life, seeing it and remembering, oh yeah, I want to do that, oh yeah, I want to do that, will kind of shift your attitude and shift your actions into making that goal more attainable. Because seeing it in your face every single day, every time I sit here, I'm gonna look up and see these things, and then I like to put the more important things in the middle and then the lesser important things towards the outside. But honestly, I find all of these are pretty important to myself, and that's why I put them all on the board. And kind of more or less important things, like I also have my 2020 goals that I actually wrote down, and I keep it right here. And I'm pretty sure I've already done all of them, if not most of them. I'm gonna do a whole video like reacting to my resolutions like I did last year, and if you guys haven't seen that video, you can check it out. I went through and like read my different resolutions and stuff like that, and kind of changed it a lot. And so when I made my resolutions for this year, I made them a lot more obtainable and stuff that I actually really wanted to do. So I think I'm doing pretty well and pretty on track for that. I'm also gonna do another video where I start up planning for 2021 and getting that started. And now for one of the less fun things in gisting is take action and actually start doing the things that you're planning to do. You can't just waste away at planning and planning and planning and then not do anything about it. You're never going to get anything accomplished that way. And so though it is great to plan, and though I'm not done planning, I'll do some more later, since I do have a bit of time, I can take this time to actually start doing things. I need to do laundry, I need to study for my East Wash board. I have plenty of things that I can be doing right now that I can just do a little bit right now and then go back to the fun that I find fun planning, and still feel like I got more accomplished today, and not go get to the end of the day and think, oh yeah, all I did was make a crafty board and write some stuff in a notebook, but did I actually do anything? I can say that I did. I did my workout earlier. I'm gonna take some time and study a little bit while I put stuff in the laundry, and just small stuff like that can still make you feel like you got a lot accomplished, even if it was only baby steps towards a larger goal. Okay, my brain is officially feeling like mush. My battery is about to die, and I'm going to just go for a little drive, and then we'll just come back to this later.